Shalom. Here am I standing at the bridge between Thailand and Myanmar. What the Holy Spirit is speaking expressly to pick up the torch that is considered with and touch with the elephant nations. The Holy Spirit spoke out of Psalm 50 verse 5 some year ago to gather those that have a covenant with Him by a sacrifice. On March 2018, there was a camp organized. We was organizing the camp in Chiang Mai, and the host of that was Pastor Rovina Anna, who is the founder of the Front Ministries. And one of the speakers was a sister from Kuala Lumpur. Her name is Sharon Joy. And she brought a very interesting vision about elephant visions. That God visited her and taught her about elephant vision. And elephant visions is the vision that considers all the countries that raising up elephants as a livestock. In Thailand, we have lots of elephants. In Burma, Africa, Kenya is considered as an elephant home. Also India, Sri Lanka, those countries, and Indonesia, Malaysia is considered as an elephant nations. And we pick it up that word. And also when we went to Jerusalem, Sukkot Halal, Pastor Rick Riding received the same revelation and same visitation about the elephant nations. And we saw this elephant nation was described on the wall of Sukkot Halal, bringing the elephant nations together for the time of worship and the time ofมีรักมากๆ and เก่งมากๆใช่ and ยายพระเจ้ายายเจ้าตัดต้นช้างยังไงคะครับผมYahweh speak to you about elephants. Yes. Speak อะไร The elephant is a prophetic picture because it's the biggest animal in the world. And yet the most loving animal, and they have tremendous discernment. They recognize a human being. They have a wonderful instinct. The memory, the elephant memory is excellent. When they smell and touch the person, if the person is good person, they will remember that person even after 30 and 40 years. When they do not see, but if the person did to them something wrong, they will also remember after 34 years. When they see that person, they will not come near. Also, their discernment is very strong. They will, because they're heavyweight, and before they step in on the ground, they has to make sure that there is no holes on it. Because it may affect the way they can break the legs and they can injure, they can hurt themselves. So the discernment operating, and also they have a big trunk, and the trunk is representing shofar, the trumpet. The Bible has to say much about shofars and trumpet, and Jesus is returning on the trumpet, sound of the trumpet. Trumpet is for the watchman to awake, they must be awakened. And so more we can read about this in the visions that the Lord revealed to Sharon Joy, also Rick Riding, the founder of Sukkot Halal in Jerusalem, also on that vision, and many others confirmation which can be read in the book called The Refiner, the torch of Thailand and elephant nations described in details. And when we get the worshipers not only touching the lives but in
สวัสดีค่ะรายการสำรวจตัวสำรวจใจค้นหาความหมายแห่งชีวิต www.explore-to-my-heart.com seeking for meaning of life we come to แม่สอดปาก province เรามาดูกันว่าประเทศในกลุ่มช้างมีอะไรขอบคุณพระเจ้าสำหรับการนมัสการร่วมกันกับพี่น้องที่มาจากต่างประเทศไทยพม่ากะเหรี่ยงและชนเผ่า all nations we come to pray together here see you next time in Jerusalem